Krita. It is free and open source raster graphic editor. Google search box lo enter Krita download. Enter key press. Official link first section lo display. Krita.org download. First link click. Krita official redirectory web page complete display. Middle section lo download Krita latest version 5.2.14. Released date Thursday 11th date December month year 2025. Supporting OS Windows, Mac OS, Linux. Users also download this application. Present Windows setup. Windows installer blue color button click. Download section lo krita-setup.exe file downloading process start. File size 150 MB. Wait and here downloading process completing. Next installation setup. Browser minimize. Desktop file explorer document open. Left side downloads folder lo krita.exe file display. Select mouse double click. Krita setup window lo first button yes click. Please wait while setup is loading. Download folder minimize. Installing data. Krita setup window lo default language English set. First button OK click. Welcome to the Krita setup window lo first button next click. License agreement. Application related license info display in middle section box. GNU based. Bottom side left section lo I accept the terms of the license agreement. Left side box tick mark set. Second button next click. Choose install location. Application related default path display in box. Destination folder, local disk C, program files directory, newly created folder Krita, and system requirement space 537 MB. In case change the another one drive and folder, browse button click. Unnecessary second button next click. Choose components. Select requirement to install. Default two options. Tick mark set. Second button next click. License agreement. Krita shell extension related information display. I agree click. Choose start menu folder. Folder name Krita default set. Second button next click. Confirm installation. Krita application related easy access purpose desktop shortcut. Create a desktop icon. Left side default box tick mark set. Unnecessary desktop shortcut tick mark remove. In box present necessary. Second button install click. Installing application related files installation process start. Please wait while Krita is being installed. Wait and here few minutes. Installation complete. Setup was completed successfully. Second button next click. Completing Krita setup. Window lo finish button click. Desktop shortcut Krita display. Select mouse double click. Krita application run. Interface dark mode display. Window maximize. Left side recent images already editing related and pending works related show in window. Freshly start the work. Left side start section lo two options display. First one new image. Second one open image. Already created works. Second section lo display. First one freshly anyone editing. First option. Select create new document. Krita window lo left side work related options display. First one custom document text related works first option. Second one create from clipboard artworks related animation templates 2D related animation works. Third one cinematic templates text related 2D effects, cinematic effects. Fourth one select designate templates, DLSR, image related, and texture templates, work related. Select templates. First one, current document. Select right side. First one, dimensions. Document related landscape and portrait. Document width, size, mention manual. Select delete key press. Enter manual. Control Z and height. Right side, inches, pixels. Document related measurements. Resolution 300 and color. Content. Select editing work related name. First one option. Related box. Select delete key press. Enter the document or file name. Cherry take. Second one, layers. Default to set. Right side box edge decrease. Up arrow click increase. Document default color white. In case change another one color, box click. Select number of colors. Red. OK click. Background opacity. Left side drag. Color transparent display on document. Right side drag full pledged 100% color set. First button create click. This is transparent color. File menu click. New option select. Second one color section lo 100% and create click. File menu click. Second option open click. Download section lo image select. Open click. Tools and Padlet insert in canvas. Settings menu click. Dockers option select subpanel. Work related, animation related and text related. Number of tools options display. In case any one brushes already display on canvas, left side box tick mark set. Render toolbox display on workspace. Left side box tick mark set. Display on left side window. Unnecessary tick mark remove. Canvas right side top edge lo choose workspace icon click. Select animation related interface display. Second one image related different save in box. Top section lo second one text tool select image drag. Enter any one text. Select remove cherry take info. Text color change right side color click white and font size increase and regular bold and alignments left right and font style. Second box down arrow click. Number of fonts display in box. Select save click close.